Okay, welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. Once again, if you've not subscribed, please do that by subscribing. So, we would want to know where this silver will be moving for this week. Take a look at this. First, we would want to know the trend, right? Before you place any trade, you would want to ask yourself what is the trend for that movement you are trading, and we can see that clearly this is a downtrend movement. And one of the things is that we will continue to expect more drop on this silver. Let's see it on the monthly time frame. I want you guys to understand this. We can see that this trend is clearly a downtrend move. So probably in 2 months' time, I'm just saying 2 months' time, we should be able to break these lows. So that is what's on the weekly aspect of this, in the daily aspect of this, right? In the 4 hour time frame charts, all what we want to look for is actually a sell movement. We want to continue to drop because we know we are currently in March, let's say around April, around ending of April or May, within that ending of April or May, we should be able to take out these lows. So in the long run, silver will actually still drop. So when you take a look at this on the weekly time frame, take a look at this. There was a drop, a correction, and there was a massive drop. Though this movement, this candlestick week, you can see at the bottom is just due to the news that was released. I think it's just kind of like a manipulation. One thing for sure is that we will still continue this drop on this silver. That is it. Now, before I continue, I want to introduce those guys to my Patreon channel. So if you have not yet become my Patreon subscriber, make sure you do that. On this Patreon channel, what I tend to do is put out high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. I say you can trust me on this. You are going to get a good setup. You can see mostly on NASDAQ 100. After that, we are going to do analysis of gold setup on US 30, then gold, right? Gold, silver. The movements are like the same, right? Once there is a drop on gold, then silver tends to drop. When there's a bullish move on gold, silver tends to go bullish. So I'm going to be doing more analysis, in-depth analysis on gold. And if you want on silver, there's no problem. I can go ahead and put the setup for you on silver. All you just have to do is inbox me, and I'm definitely going to do that. We are going to do on natural gas and also S&P 500. Once I can get any good setup on other currency pairs, I definitely going to share it to the channel. So if in case you're interested, sign up. So this is one of the trade we actually took on gold last week. You can see it on the March 6th. We actually grabbed about 200 plus pips. This was a massive movement on gold. We actually profited from it. When that gold dropped, same thing with silver. Silver actually dropped. Like I said, there's the same movement. We can see that when on Monday and Tuesday gold dropped. Same thing with silver. So if in case you're interested in silver or gold, any of this, become one of my Patreon subscriber. I'm going to give you a good setup. You can also check my channel, check the playlist. There are some of couple of trades we've actually taken in the past, which I've put in there. You can check it. I can tell that 80% of the trade that I gave on the Patreon channel were actually on a profit. Yes, we had a small loss. Yes, we had a loss, but which was very small. But our profits were more higher than our loss. You can go there, check it, and confirm by yourself. So on this silver, we'll be expecting another drop. But it just depends on when this bullish move, we are very much likely to see another bullish move to level of 21. Yes, there's possibility of silver coming to level of 21 before it actually drop. So we need to be very, very careful before we actually sell, coupled with the fact that there is going to be some major news coming out this week. And I'm going to decode the news. Watch out for the news, transport out an entry on the technical aspect of it, and we are going to take this trade. Like I say, a winning trade is what I'm going to be sharing. Once there's a better setup on silver or gold, I'm definitely going to share it on the channel. So if in case you're interested on this setup, you can go ahead. So above all, this week we'll be expecting a bearish move on silver, but first we need to get a drop. We need to see kind of like a little bit of a bullish move. This bullish move, by the way, could be a big one or it could be a small one. We can see it come to this level. It can even go ahead to come to this high, or we might see market start dropping. It just depends on how everything. So the setup for this, I'm going to share it on the channel. So if in case you're interested, you can just give it a try for just a month.